Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best skins is probably one of the most personal and impactful ways to customize your digital experience, transforming the look and feel of your favorite games, devices, or even software interfaces, allowing you to express your unique style and stand out from the crowd with vibrant designs, intricate details, and exclusive aesthetics that truly make your virtual world your own. Number 5. SKYN Elite Ultra Thin Condoms. Discover a new level of connection with these innovative condoms. They are designed to enhance your natural sensations, making every moment feel more intimate. Engineered for maximum sensitivity, these condoms are incredibly thin. You'll barely notice they're there, allowing for a more natural and heightened experience. Each condom comes pre-lubricated for your comfort and ease of use. This ensures a smooth experience every time, reducing friction and enhancing pleasure. Made from a non-latex material, these are perfect for individuals with latex allergies or sensitivities. They offer a safe and comfortable alternative without compromising on protection. This generous 36-count pack ensures you're always prepared. Stock up on your preferred choice for peace of mind and uninterrupted spontaneity. What we like. These offer an incredibly natural feel. If you have latex allergies or prefer a barely there sensation, these are perfect for you. They provide comfort and safety without compromising intimacy. What people say. This product is amazing, it provides excellent compression and support for my muscles during intense workouts. The design of these skins is sleek and comfortable, allowing for full range of motion without any restriction. I've noticed a significant reduction in muscle soreness and faster recovery time since I started using these skins. Number 4. SHAPERX Tummy Control Thong Bodysuit. Do you desire a smoother, more confident look? This innovative shapewear is designed to help you achieve just that. It provides targeted support where you need it most. Experience powerful tummy control that sculpts your midsection. It gently compresses, creating a sleek and refined appearance under any outfit. Its seamless construction ensures it remains completely undetectable. You can wear it with confidence, knowing it won't show through your favorite dresses or tops. Designed as a thong bodysuit, it offers maximum comfort and prevents panty lines. You'll feel supported and comfortable from morning to night. This body shaper works to snatch your waist, enhancing your natural curves. It creates an hourglass figure, boosting your confidence instantly. Transform your look and feel your best with this essential wardrobe piece. It's the perfect foundation for any outfit, empowering you to shine. What we like. This bodysuit sculpts your figure smoothly. If you are looking for an invisible lift and shaping under your outfits, this will be your go-to. It enhances your natural curves for a confident look. What people say. Number 3. Glow Recipe Watermelon Niacinamide Dew Drops. Discover the secret to radiant skin with these amazing drops. They are a travel-sized essential for your beauty routine, perfect for on-the-go glow. Formulated with potent niacinamide, this Korean serum helps visibly brighten and refine your complexion. It's designed to give you a healthy, even-toned look. Experience deep hydration with this luxurious face serum. It infuses your skin with moisture, leaving it feeling supple and refreshed all day long. Not just a serum, it also works as an excellent primer. It preps your skin for makeup, ensuring a smooth and long-lasting finish. Achieve a luminous glow with its liquid highlight properties. A few drops can enhance your natural radiance, giving you that coveted dewy look. Enriched with hyaluronic acid, it plumps and moisturizes your skin. This powerful combination delivers an undeniable dewy glow, making your skin look vibrant. What we like. This versatile serum delivers a radiant, dewy finish. If you like multitasking products that hydrate, prime, and highlight, this is an excellent choice. It gives your skin an instant luminous boost. What people say. Number 2. BAIMEI IcyMe Ice Roller and Gua Sha Set. Discover the ultimate self-care experience with this innovative set. It's designed to refresh and rejuvenate your skin, offering a spa-like treatment at home. Say goodbye to morning puffiness. Its cooling sensation helps to depuff your face, leaving you looking refreshed and revitalized. Beyond beauty, it offers relief from discomfort. Gently roll it over your temples to help alleviate migraines and tension headaches. The included gua sha tool complements your regimen. Use it to promote circulation and aid in product absorption, enhancing your skin's natural glow. This pink set is a thoughtful addition to any woman's self-care ritual. Treat yourself or a loved one to moments of pure relaxation and beauty with it. What we like. This set provides a refreshing and soothing experience. If you have morning puffiness or suffer from occasional migraines, this tool offers instant relief. It's a simple yet effective addition to your self-care routine. What people say. No reviews found in a source to extract points from. No reviews found in a source to extract points from. Number 1. OLLY Glowing Skin Gummy. Discover the secret to vibrant, healthy skin. This delicious gummy makes achieving a beautiful complexion simple and enjoyable. Experience intense hydration from within. It helps your skin feel supple and look plump, giving you that youthful glow. Rejuvenate your skin's appearance. These gummies are formulated to support a more youthful and radiant look. Powered by hyaluronic acid and collagen peptides, it works to nourish your skin. These key components are essential for maintaining skin elasticity and moisture. Enriched with sea buckthorn, it provides an extra boost of goodness. This ingredient is known for its skin-loving properties, contributing to overall skin health. Enjoy the delightful plump berry flavor with every dose. Taking care of your skin has never been so tasty and convenient. Each bottle provides a 25-day supply, with 50 gummies to support your daily beauty routine. Start your journey to glowing skin today. What we like. These gummies support skin health from within. If you are looking for an easy and tasty way to boost your skin's hydration and elasticity, these are a great option. They help achieve a plump and radiant complexion. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.